Steven down here at Russ Darrow, Metro, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. We just wanted to give you a couple tips with summer wrapping up here. It's the end of August. A lot of sun beating on the car all summer, bugs, tree sap, a lot of elements that could have affected your car, this vehicle. So I'm here with a couple tips to help you keep the car nice and fresh moving into winter. First things first, a protective coat like the Xylon that we offer with our vehicles is very important. It'll keep it nice and shiny when that sun and bugs and everything's beating on it, and you get it washed and it comes right off. So that Xylon or paint protection, that's a very important thing to have. Number two, you want to make sure that your fluids are topped off. You want to have windshield wiper fluid at the end of summer. We've been using a lot, get bugs and whatever else may be on our windshield. We want to make sure we're taking care of that. So we want to make sure our fluids are topped off. Number three, you want to make sure that you're getting regular car washes to keep all that stuff off of your car. You want to make sure that you're keeping up with the regular maintenance of your vehicle, car washes, oil changes, things of that nature. And then also, make sure your windshield wipers are good. You don't want to have windshield wipers that are beat and not really taking care of the job. You want to make sure those are good to go. And then another thing with, sometimes muddy weather on a rainy day after summer or sand, those floor mats are important, especially heading into winter because everything's going to be a little wet and salty. So make sure your floor mats are good to go. Just a few tips here with us at Russ Darrow, Metro, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram to help you stay good to go heading into the fall and winter seasons. Thanks, and give us a call today at 414-354-8338 or come on down and see us at Russ Darrow, Metro, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. Have a great rest of your summer.